Hello guys, today I've got Redmi Buds 8 Lite and I'm going to show you how to fix the sound from your earbuds shudders or is intermittent. So the first thing that you need to do is a factory reset. Of course, apart from the factory reset you can charge them, but we'll go to this in a moment. Open the case and take a look at this button right here. Keep holding this button till you see this LED light blinks 2 long times. This should take 10 seconds. 1 and 2. This is what I meant. This is the factory reset, and after this everything should be working fine. If it doesn't work fine still, try charging your device, these headphones, these earbuds, up to 100%. Leave them plugged in for 2 hours, I think. Full charge should take 1 hour, but 2 hours are, this margin, and everything should be working fine after that. If it doesn't work fine, you need to restart your phone. And after your phone is restarted, everything should be working fine again. If it doesn't work good, you need to try connecting your earbuds to a different device, and then you'll need to check if it works. If it doesn't work, you need to contact the device support because your earbuds are probably broken. Goodbye!